Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the HVCI-enabled error in Valorant. First, let's start with the most common fix. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Core Isolation. Click on the top result to open it. Inside this window, you will see an option called Memory Integrity. If it is turned off, switch it to on. If it is already on, try turning it off, then back on again. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. If the issue is still there, the next step is to check virtualization settings in your BIOS. Restart your computer and, before Windows loads, repeatedly press your BIOS key. This is usually the delete key, F2, or F10 depending on your system. Once inside the BIOS, look for CPU or advanced settings. If you have an Intel processor, find Intel Virtualization Technology and set it to Enabled. If you are using AMD, look for SVM Mode or AMD-V and enable it. Save your changes by pressing F10 and exit. Another important fix is enabling TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, which are required by Riot Games for Valorant security. Go back into your BIOS settings. Find Secure Boot and make sure it is enabled and set to Standard Mode. Then look for TPM settings. This may appear as PTT for Intel or FTPM for AMD. Make sure it is enabled. Restart your computer again and launch the game to check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.